The Supreme Court just gave Texas Republicans the map of their dreams, and Democrats are melting down over what it means for 2026. A lower court ruled this thing a racial weapon, but the high court conservative majority said Texas can use it anyways. 5 new Republican seats are on the table from a single ruling. It's not like the Democrats haven't been doing this for like 50 years anyways. This isn't just about Texas. Red states are already lining up to copy the play, with blue states with their own creative lines that they've been using for decades are suddenly very quiet. And once these districts are locked in, your members of Congress may be decided long before you ever step into a polling place, just like it is for us in Illinois. So let me know in the comments, is this a badly needed correction after years of blue state gerrymandering, or are we watching politicians choose their voters for good? Stay with me, guys. So my name is Tom, I'm with the Daily Beltway, and I'm also a White House correspondent for the Next News Network. And we're looking at a Supreme Court decision that it doesn't just tweak a few lines on a map, it could reshape who runs the House for years to come, including the White House, starting with Texas. And this is the test case everybody else is watching. But before we get into the weeds, make sure you guys hit subscribe. We're a growing channel, and every like, comment, share, and subscription helps us reach more patriots across our nation. Also, sharing this is huge, so send this to a friend in Texas, California, New York, anywhere that the political class is drawing lines to lock in power, like Michigan, Illinois, wherever. Let's get to it.
Win for Texas. The Supreme Court allows the Lone Star State to use the Trump-backed congressional map in its midterm elections. Governor Greg Abbott writing this: Texas is officially and legally more red. This is a victory for Texas voters, for common sense, and for the U.S. Constitution. They could get up to 5 seats in theory. Let's bring in Fox News legal analyst Greg Jarrett. Greg, did the Supreme Court make the right decision?
Oh, I think they did, Brian, because there was little credible evidence that Texas had actually redrawn their congressional map based on race, which obviously would be a civil rights violation. And the ruling is consistent with what the high court said in 2019. We will not intervene in cases of partisan gerrymandering, only in cases where, states have conjured up district boundaries for largely racial reasons that are discriminatory. And in fact, there was evidence that the previous map was racially motivated and that the new map corrected that constitutional defect. So, as you point out, Brian, this ruling has the potential to flip 5 Democrat-held seats in Texas to Republican next year, and it may actually clear the path for other states to do the same, blue states and red states, as long as race is not a factor.
So that's the difference, though. So blue states have done this to the extreme. Like Illinois, we have Trump lost Illinois by 400,000 votes, but out of 17 congressional seats, 14 of them are Democrat, 3 are Republican, and when he gets to the House, they have a supermajority in our state.